In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly shop on Shein using their app or website. Whether you're gearing up for a wardrobe refresh or simply wish to browse for inspiration, this guide will walk you through the essentials of making a purchase with Shein. To get started, you'll need to open the Shein app on your mobile device or navigate to their website on your computer. This platform is your entryway to a vast range of fashionable items. Once you're on Shein's website or app, feel free to take your time exploring the different categories and collections until you find something that catches your attention. Shein offers a variety of options tailored to individual tastes, and you're sure to find something that aligns with your style. After settling on a product you'd like to purchase, click on the item to view more details. This will allow you to examine the product specifications closely, including fabric type, user reviews, and pricing. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click on Add to Cart to start the purchasing process. Next, don't forget to select your preferred color and size for the item. Shein provides a handy size guide that can assist you in making the best choice to ensure a perfect fit. When you finalize these options, confirm your selection by adding the item to your cart once more. To review your choices, navigate to your shopping cart. Here, you can double-check the items you've selected, ensuring everything is correct. This step is crucial for avoiding any surprises upon delivery, like receiving the wrong color or size. Once you've reviewed your selections, it's time to proceed to checkout. Select the item within your cart that you wish to purchase. You'll be guided through a streamlined checkout process, which makes purchasing a breeze. Shein's user-friendly setup helps ensure a smooth transaction, minimizing any potential hitches. Scrolling down during checkout, you'll find an option to apply a gift card. This can be an excellent way to save a few extra bucks if you have one at your disposal. Take advantage of this feature by locating the gift card section and entering your card details. Now that you've found the gift card section, carefully input your card number and PIN. Ensure that the information is accurate to seamlessly apply any balance to your purchase. Once everything is entered correctly, hit Apply. This step effectively updates your checkout total, reflecting any deductions from your gift card. Finally, proceed with the standard checkout procedure. You can now anticipate the arrival of your new purchase from Shein in just a few clicks, ready to enhance your wardrobe. Happy shopping, and enjoy the convenience and style that Shein offers.